So good morning everyone. So today we are going to start our exercise 1.3. So in that first bit, express each of the following decimals in p by q form. So they have given a decimal number, we have to convert into p by q form. So in that, the first one is 0.57. So this 0.57 is in the form of decimal. We have to convert that into p by q form. So now, given 0.57. So after point you are seeing two digits. That means in denominator you should get two zeros after removing this point. So it will be 57 by 100. So what is the p by q form here? 57 by 100. So this is in the form of p by q. P by q is nothing but a rational number. Second one, 0.176. So here after point you are having three different digits. So if you are removing the point in denominator, how many zeros you should get? 3 zeros you should get. That is 176 by 1000. So we can cancel, we can convert this into simplest form, or you can leave like this only. That is, this is also in the form of p by q. Next is third one, 1.00001. So given 1.00001. So after point how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means in denominator you should get 5 zeros now. That is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 by 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. So that is nothing but 1 lakh. So this is also in the form of p by q. Fourth one is 25.125. So here after point you are having 3 digits. So in denominator you will get 3 zeros. So 25.125. So if you remove the point, that will be, what is the numerator value? By, after point you are having 3 digits. So in denominator you will get 3 zeros. So now this is also in the form of p by q. So this is how you will convert the decimal number into p by q form. More you can simplest that, or if you are not simplifying, then also it is in the form of p by q. Second bit, express the following decimals in the form of p by q. Again some decimal numbers which are in the form of non-terminating repeating decimals. That non-terminating repeating decimals we have to convert into p by q form now. So second bit, express each of the following decimals in p by q. P by q is nothing but rational numbers. So what is the first one in that? That is 0.9 bar. So what we call these type of numbers as non-terminating repeating decimals. Non-terminating means not getting the remainder 0, and the quotient value will be going on repeating. The digit will be going on repeating. So this one we have to convert into p by q form now. So now what is given here? Given is 0.9 bar. Bar is nothing but that value will be repeated infinite number of times. So we can write this as 0.99999 and so on, and this value I am taking it as x here. Okay, now bar is for only one number, so we have to take it as 10x equals to, bar is for only one number, so we have to move this point after one digit itself. So that means it will be 0.9999 and so on. So this will be equation 1, this will be equation 2. Okay, now we have to subtract 1 from 2. Okay, so what is 2 here? 2 is 10x is equals to 0, 9.9999 and so on, and 1 is x is equals to 0.9999 and so on. So what we have to do for this, we have to subtract the values. So 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0. So 9 minus 0 will be 9 equals to 10x minus x will be 9x. So you got it as 9x is equals to 9. Transpose this 9 to other side, that will be converted to division. So x will be 9 by 9. 9 ones are 9 ones are. So x value is how much? 1. So 1 we can write in the form of 1 by 1 which is in the form of p by q form. So this 1 by 1 is also is in the form of p by q form. So you can stop till here also 9 by 9. This 9 by 9 is also in the form of p by q form. So this is our first one. So next one, second one, 0.57 bar. Now bar is for two numbers. So bar value will be repeated infinite number of times. So we will write this 57 more times. So given 0.57 bar. So this value we are going on writing now, that is 0.57, 57, 57 and so on. Okay, so this one we are taking it as x. Okay, now bar is for two numbers, so we will write in the form of 100x. If bar is for only one number, we are taking it as 10x. If bar is for two numbers, we are taking it as 100x. And we have to move this point how many times? 2 times we have to move. That is 0, 5, 7.57, 57, 57 and so on. So this will be equation 1, this will be equation 2. Now we have to subtract the equations. Subtract 1 from 2. So we have to subtract 1 from 2. So what is the 2 here? 100x is equals to 0, 57.57, 57, 57 and so on. And the x value will be 0.57, 57, 57 and so on. So if you subtract this, these all will be cancelled. 7 minus 0 will be 7. 5 as it is equals to 100x minus x will be 99x. So transpose this 99 to other side, so it will be converted to division. So x is equals to 57 by 99. So you can stop till here, or this is also in the form of p by q, or you can simplest more. So we can convert into simplest form by cancelling in 3 table. So 3 33s are 3 19s are. So that will be 19 by 33. So this is also in the form of p by q. Okay. So next is third one. What is third one here? 0.729. Bar is for only for 2 and 9. 2 and 9 are repeating. So only 2 and 9 should be repeated in next step. So given 0.729 bar. This 29 will be repeated so many times. So 0.7, 29, 29, 29 and so on. So this will be the x value. Now bar is for two numbers. So we will take it as 100x and move this point after two digits. So that will be 072.92929 and so on. So this will be equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now what we have to do, we have to subtract these two equations. So subtract 1 from 2. So what is 2 here? 2 is 100x equals to 072.92929 and so on. And what is the x value? X is equals to 0.72929 and so on. So if you subtract these two, 9 will get cancelled, it will become 0. 2 will get cancelled, it will be 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. 2 minus 2 will be 0. 9 minus 7 will be 2. 2 as it is, 7 as it is equals to 100x minus x will be 99x. Now transpose is 99 to other side. So x equals to 72.2 by 99. Now I am removing this point. So after point you are having only one digit. So after removing this point in denominator you will get 1 0. So we will write in the form of 722 by 990. So this is also in the form of P by Q, or you can simplest more here. We can convert into simplest form. So I am cancelling in 2 table. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10. Here 2 3s are 6, 3 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2. So here 361 by 495. So this is in the form of P by Q. So you can leave till here, or we can simplest it till 361 by 495. So this is our third solution. Next is next one is fourth one, 12.28 bar. Now bar is for 8. So 8 will be repeated so many times. So given 12.28 bar. So this 8 should be repeated more number of times. So 12.28, 8, 8, 8 and so on. So this will be the x value. Okay. Now bar is for only for one number. So we will take it as 10x. And the point should be moved only after one digit. So that will be 122.8, 8, 8, 8 and so on. So this will be equation 1. This will be equation 2. Okay. Now you subtract this. Subtract 1 from 2. So what is the second equation? 10x is equals to 122.8888 and so on. And then first equation is 12.2888 and so on. So if you subtract this, 8 minus 8 will be 0, 8 minus 8 will be 0, 8 minus 8 will be 0, 8 minus 2 is 6.0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 as it is equals to 10x minus x will be 9x. Now send this 9 to other side, that will be converted to division. So x is equals to 110.6 by 9. So after point you are having only one digit. So if you are removing the point in denominator you will get 1 0. So that will be 1106 by 90. So this is also in the form of P by Q, and more you can simplify this. So that is in 2 table I am doing 245 times. 2 5s is 10, 2 5s is 10, 2 3s are 6. So here it is 10 plus 3 is 13, it will not go. So what is the answer? 553 by 45. This is in the form of P by Q. Okay, so this is how you will convert non-terminating repeating decimals into P by Q form. Next is third bit. Find x plus y divided by x minus y if in that the first one is x is equals to 5 by 2 and y is equals to minus 3 by 4. Okay, now we have to divide this x plus y divided by x minus y, and here x value in place of x we have to substitute 5 by 2 and in place of y we have to substitute minus 3 by 4. Now substitute in this. So here solution. So what is the given expression here? Given is x plus y divided by x minus y. So in place of x we have to substitute 5 by 2. In place of y we have to substitute minus 3 by 4. So it will be 5 by 2 plus minus 3 by 4 divided by x value is 5 by 2 minus y value is minus 3 by 4. Okay, so first convert the double signs into single signs. So here you are seeing the double sign, here also you are seeing the double sign. Convert into single sign. So that will be 5 by 2 plus into minus is minus 3 by 4 divided by, here minus into minus will be plus, so 5 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Okay, now we have to take the LCM of these two. So 2 and 4 LCM will be 4. For 2, how many times you will multiply to get 4? That is 2 times. In numerator also multiply 2 times. For 4, how much you will multiply to get 4 again? That will be how many times? 1 time. And into 1. So 5 2s is 10 minus 3 1s is 3 divided by, here also we have to take the LCM. So 2 4 LCM will be 4 itself. So for 2, how much you will multiply to get 4 again? That is 2 times. Multiply in numerator also. So for 4, how much you will multiply to get 4 again? That will be 1 time. So 1 into 1. So 5 2s is 10 plus 3 1s is 3. Okay. Now 10 minus 3 is how much? 10 minus 3 is 7 by 4 divided by 10 plus 3 will be 13 by 4. Now how to divide these two rational numbers? Already I told you that the second term will be reciprocal and this division symbol will be converted to multiplication. So we can write that as 7 by 4 into, this term will be reciprocal, that means 4 by 13. It will be in the form of 4 by 13. So here 4 will get cancelled and what is the answer? 7 by 13. So if you are substituting in place of x 5 by 2 and in place of y minus 3 by 4, after solving you got the result as 7 by 13. So this is our first one. Second bit in this, the values are changed. So now the x value is 1 by 4 and the y value is 3 by 2. Okay, so after changing these values, what is the result we will see? So x value is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2 divided by x value is 1 by 4 minus 3 by 2. Now you can take the LCM here. 4 and 2 LCM will be 4. So how many times you will multiply to this 4 to get 4 again? That is 1 time. So in numerator also multiply 1 time. For 2, how much times you have to multiply to get 4 again? So 2 times into 2 times. 1 into 1 will be 1 plus 3 into 2 will be 6 divided by 4 and 2 LCM will be 4. Here also same, into 1 into 1 into 2 into 2. So 1 ones will be 1 minus 3 twos is 6. Okay, now do addition here. So 1 plus 6 will be 7 by 4 divided by, from smaller number you are subtracting the bigger number. So the result will be in the negative form. So 1 minus 6, that will be 6 minus 1 is 5. Bigger number sign is minus, so minus 5 by 4. Okay, now how to divide these two rational numbers? Second term will be reciprocal and the division will be converted to multiplication. So we can write this as 7 by 4 into, so this value will be reciprocal, that is 4 by minus 5. Now here 4 ones will get cancelled, and what is the final result? 7 by minus 5 is our final result. Okay, so this is our third bit. Next is fourth bit. Divide the sum of. So fourth one. Divide the sum of. So divide the sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7 by the product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. So what is the question? Divide the sum of. So we have to add these two by the product of these two. So we have to find the sum of these two values, these two rational numbers first. After that we have to find the product of these two. So after multiplying these two you will be getting one answer. So that two answers we have to divide. Okay, first what we have to do, we have to add these two numbers. We have to multiply these two numbers. What answers you will get, that should be divided by themselves. Okay, so here sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7. So we have to add these two. So that will be minus 13 by 5 plus 12 by 7. So if you take the LCM, 5 and 7 LCM will be 35. 7 5s is 35. So for 5, how many times you will multiply to get 35? That is 7 times. So into 7, into 7. In the same way for 7, how much you will multiply to get 35? That is 5 times, into 5, into 5. Okay. So now 13 7s are 91. So that will be minus 91 plus 12 5s is 60. Now we have to subtract this. So 91 minus 60, that will be minus 31 by 35. Okay, so this is for sum. We are adding these two rational numbers. After adding these two rational numbers, you got as minus 31 by 5. Now we have to multiply product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. Product is nothing but multiplication. So we have to multiply these two. So 13 by 7 into minus 1 by 2. So minus into minus will be plus. 13 ones is 13. By 7 twos is 14. So after multiplying the two numbers, two rational numbers, you got it as plus 13 by 14. So what we have to do now? Divide the sum of these two by the product of these two. So now these two answers we have to divide by themselves. So divide minus 31 by 35 and 13 by 14. Now you divide these two. Minus 31 by 35 divided by 13 by 14. So how to divide these two rational numbers? The second rational number will be reciprocal and the division symbol will be converted into multiplication symbol. So that will be minus 31 by 35 into this one will be reciprocal. So that will be 14 by 13. So now in which table we can cancel? We can cancel in 7 table. 7 2s is 14. 7 5s is 35. So we can't cancel anything more here. So if you multiply this, 2 1 times is 2. 2 3 times is 6. So that will be minus 62 by 5 into 13. So it will be 5 3s is 15. That will be 65. So after dividing both the answers, you got as minus 62 by 65. So once again see this, divide the sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7 by the product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. So first what we have to do, we have to add these two and we have to multiply these two rational numbers. So after getting the answers of this, we have to divide the answers. So here sum of these two rational numbers after adding, so you got 5 and 7 LCM. 5 and 7 LCM will be 35. So for 5, how many times you will multiply to get 35? That is 7 times. So this 7 you have to multiply in numerator and denominator. In the same way, for 7, how much you will multiply to get 35? That is 5 times. So 5 multiply in numerator and denominator. So it will be 13 into 7 will be 91. Minus is there, so minus, plus 25, 12 into 5 will be 60. So if you subtract these two, that will be minus 31 by 35. So after adding the two rational numbers, that is minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7, you got the result as minus 31 by 35. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply these two numbers. These two rational numbers we have to multiply. So that is project is nothing but multiplication. Minus 13 by 7 into minus 1 by 2. So how you will multiply the rational numbers? Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, you have to multiply. So minus into minus will be plus. 13 1 times is 13. So 7 2s is 14. So the product you got as 13 by 14. Now this is the result of addition. This is the result of multiplication. These two results we have, what we have to do? We have to divide these two results. That is, we have to do division here. So minus 31 by 35 divided by 13 by 14. So how to divide two rational numbers? Reciprocal of second term and the division will be converted to multiplication. So minus 31 by 35, this division I wrote in the form of multiplication. Reciprocal of 13 by 14 will be 14 by 13. So here I have cancelled in 7 table. 7 2 times, 7 5 times. So minus 31 into 2 will be minus 62 by 5 into 13 will be equals to 65. So our answer is minus 62 by 65. So remaining problems will continue in next class. Thank you.